What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Fish Stick from Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson. On the top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top in the middle, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to have the top all the way over on the right side. I'm going to bring that down towards the same height, and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's draw a small circle in the center of each eye. So let's start with the left, all the way around, and then back up. And then along the top of each pupil, draw a small circle for a highlight. Let's fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's add that thick fold of skin along the top and bottom of the eyes. So from the top left, step over, curl this up, and then bend that down. Let's line this up along the bottom of the eye, come down, and then up. Now we're going to place the mouth in between the eyes. We'll start with a straight line going across. Let's go back to the left side, step out, curl the top of the lip, going up, and then down. Let's round out the corner of the lips, come down, and then up towards the right side. Now let's close off the bottom of the head. We're going to start underneath that fold on the left, come down underneath the mouth, go across, and then up towards the right. Now in between these two folds, we're going to add a curve for the hat. We're going to go up in the middle, and then back down. Let's move out to the side and draw the top of the hat. We're going to go up, and then bend that in towards the middle, go out towards the right, and then we'll bend that down. Let's add that trim, starting on the left. Just going to follow that same curve going all the way across. Now I'm going to add that stitch line coming down the center. From the top, draw a straight line coming down towards the trim. Now add these short stitch lines going up towards the top. Along the top, let's draw a half circle. From the side, curve this out and then up, and bend this in and then up towards the center point. Let's add the flaps coming down underneath the eyes. We're going to start on the left, bend this down and out. And then round out the bottom of the flap and just tuck that up underneath the head. Now, with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start right in the center with a curve for the collar. Come down and then up. And then in the center, draw two straight lines for the zipper. Let's move out to the side and draw the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Connect the hips with the curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, step up and draw the top of the belt with that same curve. And then in the center, draw two lines for the belt buckle. Now from the bottom of the buckle, let's step all the way down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to add a wave along the bottom of the foot. Let's start from the left side, just going to round up the heel, go up and then back down. And then from here, it's going to curl the toe, going all the way around, and then bend that in. And then from here, bend this down, up, and then in towards the ankle. Let's round out the bottom of the pant, coming down and then up. Now going back up to the hips, we're going to draw 2 points coming back down towards the outside of the ankle. Let's start on the left. We're going to go out and bend that in. Let's add another curve, going out, down, and then in towards that outside point. Let's go back up and draw 2 pouches along the side of the hip. Start from the side, going out with a straight line, come down, and then pull that in. Now we're going to draw the arms coming down the side. Let's start halfway down the side of the body. So right here, bend the arm going around that pouch and then down towards the wrist. And do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, draw the thumb coming in and then down. And taper that back up and out towards the hand. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the hand, bend this out and then down. Taper that up towards the top. Let's layer 2 more fingers along the side. From the tip, we'll step up, then this around, and then up. Step down, curve the hand going all the way around, up the arm. Just tuck that in underneath the head. Now let's add those stitch lines across the body. From the top of the belt on either side, go straight up, and then close off the top. Let's line this up underneath the belt, come down. I'm just going to bend that in towards the inside of the legs. Let's add those stitch lines across this line, starting from the bottom left. Just going to work our way across towards the right. Now let's go in and add some color. And once we're done coloring this in, we'll be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Fish Stick from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.